I'm Jyotsna Angara, past chair of FICCI Ladies Hyderabad, the Hyderabad chapter, and I'm currently the board member. I lead the Women in Transport initiative nationally as its head, and we just launched it in Hyderabad. What we're looking at doing is train women drivers, across the country, where so that they are empowered with some skill that will make them economically independent. We've tied up with Maruti nationally for 1500 free driving lessons for these 1500 women to be trained as drivers. For their placement and other things, we will think of the next level that is not yet planned, but yes, work on that is also underway. So we will look at various ways of empowering women. Skill development definitely is a big initiative for us. Now these women we're looking at in the age group of 18 to 35. They should be ideally less, as a family total income of less than 3 lakhs. Maruti will be giving them training in the theories of driving, road safety, rules and regulations, and many more such things. Then they will also be on-road training. FICCI Ladies is a facilitator. It will provide the license for them. The whole thing will be put together by FICCI Ladies. So we are basically a facilitator only. And at the end of it, FICCI Ladies will support them to get their license. Maruti would have a internal evaluation. They will also be trained on the simulator so that they build their confidence a little bit before they get onto the road. Yes, we are looking at training close to about 100, 150 this year, if possible, even more. So that's primarily our initiative. We are working on other initiatives related to women and their empowerment, which I think as the plans finalize, we will be able to share with you. This initiative itself will open up many, many opportunities for women. Let it be tomorrow, if anybody wants to become a cab driver, they can become. They want to become somebody's personal driver, families, they can do that. Once they get their commercial transport badge, they might even want to, work independently. It will just a world of opportunities for them after the training. That's what it is. Thank you so much.